Hi guys, in this video I will be teaching you how to cut out this tree in Photoshop. It's quite simple and short, so don't skip the video. Well, we start by duplicating the picture. You can do so on clicking on Ctrl+G on the keyboard and also dragging it here on the plus button here to duplicate. Hide the down layer here by clicking on the eyes. Just hide it. Now come to channels, come down to blue and click on blue. Now select image at the top here and come down to adjustment and click on levels. Now let's adjust the black and the white. Let's adjust the black and white. Hit OK. Now come down here. You see this white circle here, small circle here. Click on it. We are not done. Come here to select and click on inverse. Now come down and select layers and click on this layer mask. And that is it. Please remember to subscribe to my channel. And also remember to hit the notification bar so that anytime we post video, you get notified. Thanks for watching. This was before and now. Bye bye.